We are back at it again, and this time we're working on a 2007 Ford Mustang. It's 4.0. Nothing's really wrong with the car. Just had a few issues with the wheel speed sensor. No, it's not that one. It's this one over here. So the ABS light was on. I changed out this wheel speed sensor 3 times. I tried several different ones from the salvage yard, and then I tried a brand new one, and the light still was coming on. So I'm sure you guys have heard about that problem. Well, it turns out that these cars, because of where the wire sits, can break. That's why my light was on. So we're gonna get under here and see if we can get close enough. All right, there it is right there. This is your wheel speed sensor. As you can tell, it's brand new. Now the light was still coming on because back over here there was a break in one of the wires. So I actually peeled that hose back, the wire cover, and sure enough, I found the break. It wasn't too far off of the actual connector itself, so I went ahead and strung it out. There's a little clip up here. You can pop that out, and then that'll give you a little bit more room, and then raise up this side of the car on the jack stand so you can slide under here if you got a big belly. But anyway, once you get that out, you should be able to just pull it down enough and then go ahead and work on that wire. So I got it cleaned back up, got it connected back together, tape it up with some real good electrical tape to protect the wire, and lo and behold, after that my wheel speed sensor light came out. It went off. So anyway, if you have that issue, go ahead and check which wheel speed sensor it is, obviously. And if you replace it and that light is still on, it's probably because you have a break here, or you can trace that wire up and it goes way back in there and it goes into the trunk too, where it grounds out. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit a thumbs up. If this was helpful, go ahead and leave a comment. If you have some other suggestions or ideas that you found that might work too, then go ahead and throw them in there, because, you know, we got to keep each other running, right? All right, till next time. See you later.